If the human race wishes to have a prolonged and indefinite period of material prosperity, they have only got to behave in a peaceful and helpful way toward one another, meaning material prosperity actually has never been easy or simple for anyone in the world or in the history of humanity to manifest and to actually achieve and transform into reality as well as into individual lives in one way or another, because material prosperity directly means either possessing a lot of possession, wealth, land, estate, as generational or hereditary or inheritance property, or basically conquering and overcoming other people's possessions, wealth, and jewels in the process. So it's either about infiltration, corruption, hijacking, bypassing the rule of law and the many different rules and regulations in the societies to ultimately subject each and every one belonging to the lower and working and middle class sections of the society, including the backward people, towards corruption, injustice, inequality, exploitation, manipulation, and prolonged unemployment, inflation, discrimination, so that they can be exploited and their resources and wealth can be drained and exhausted, and all that ultimately will go to the pockets of not only the politicians or the democracies, but also ultimately the donors, billionaires, and to the elites in one way or another, because all our money is ultimately ending up in the hands and in the fortunes of the billionaires and the donors of the government. So ultimately, this government is funded and created by the donors. So this is not really a democracy at all. This is oligarchy, elitism, and authoritarianism, and obviously polite dictatorship in one way or another. Now, we may be obviously unwilling to admit this. We have never had the willingness, discipline, desire, courage, confidence, or character to admit to our own internal truths and psychic ignorance, arrogance, etc., let alone the external corruption and disruption, challenges and conflicts as well that are pinning us down and that are drowning us in the ocean of corruption, injustice, inequality, discrimination, poverty, unemployment, inflation, and many other evils that have been directly targeted us and to which we have been subjected to by all these politicians that we support, admire, and vote for in the first place. So, if we are to have material prosperity, then we also have to be able to behave one another not only equally but also respectfully, morally, wisely, intelligently, rationally, and individually. If we don't provide each other with the respect and kindness, understanding that we deserve, then